What's up, team? We are here in the shop. We got Matt Dennison, and we are gonna build his truck.
2018 4Runner, mostly stock. First of all, I want to have a truck that I can feel confident that Brady won't make fun of me when I roll into the shop. So that's step number one. Literally do whatever you need for that to happen.
So you figured if I build it, I can't make fun of it.
I don't know, just looking for something I can drive to the mall.
That's like one of our specialties, actually, is building mall crawling trucks. So I think I think you're in good hands here.
I feel good. That's me.
All right, so let's just get building. Your brakes need to be changed. Yeah, you have maybe a mil of pad life left. I mean, pad life, as if like you're supposed to use them right to bare metal. He runs them like he runs his Whistler bike park bikes.
Yeah, I was gonna make a comparison between my bikes and my bike.
Yeah.
Run to the ground.
Yeah, run until they're dead. This one's seized. When I pull this, it should spin independently of that inner bushing.
Okay, gotcha.
So we'll have to cut it out. See, if you look at this one, you know, it's working out.
Oh, no.
The bolt like broke loose and I just smoked my chin on your brake.
Oh. If you feel sorry for Brady, give a thumbs up.
All right, so Matt is gone and we have his truck and it is time to get going on this thing. Yeah, that one almost didn't come out, but it did. So, all right, we just have the one that we have to cut.
There she goes.
So basically what we have here is we have a lower control arm bushing that has a metal outer sides with a metal sleeve that goes through the middle. And so what's supposed to go through there is this guy. This is the back bolt. It's a bit of a different design where the bolt just goes straight through the arm. And yeah, I can barely get it back through. So this one was hard to get out, and you can see why. It's just completely rusted. So I tried my best to clean this up as good as I could, but it's pretty pitted and nasty, so I actually managed to find a new one. So I'm gonna throw the new one in Matt's truck. On the 4Runner in this section, when you do the cat mount chop, you have all this kind of stuff right here that gets in the way of bigger tires. The pinch weld on the 4Runner is different than on a Tacoma. The body actually mounts to it. So if you were just to hammer the pinch weld over like you would on a Tacoma, it will mess up all the body. So we do a little cut here, weld it back together, and trim it all up nicely so there's lots of space for a bigger tire. So on Matt's truck, we're actually doing the same wheels as we did on Jason's truck, just bigger tires and in this bronze color. The cool thing about Method is that they have bead grip technology, and what that means is it has like an extra lip inside that holds the bead in case you have low pressure or something. It won't want to go in, so when you're wheeling down the road with your tires aired down, you're not gonna blow a bead, hopefully. These tires are bigger than your typical 285/70 17. They're 285/75 17s. They're about an inch taller. So we're gonna fit these things onto Matt's truck, and I'm excited to see how it looks. So we're about to test these wheels, test all the clearance and everything, and make sure everything was good. And we found out that Matt took his keys home. We did things a little different just because he's a friend and we didn't do the normal thing, and we started on the weekend. And now we don't got any keys, so we're a little bit stuck. He's Uber couriering the keys out here. Hopefully they get here soon, and then we will get back at the front here. You guys are probably gonna laugh at us, but these coils are really long. So, just got a special courier delivery. So let's open this up. Ready, sorry for forgetting the key. I don't have much to offer, but I do have this candy, a button, and some belly button lint. Oh, it's so thoughtful. Thanks for the belly button lint, Matt. See you soon. All right, so what we're up to here is, this is the bump stop right here. And what that does is it stops the suspension from going up too far. So basically it'll hit here, and that's as high as it can go. So that's gonna prevent, you know, your suspension, your shock from bottoming out, your tire from hitting your fender, all that stuff. But when you put bigger tires in, we wanna make sure that everything clears up to this point. So without a shock in, we can put a wheel on, we can cycle the suspension all the way, turn it, everything, make sure that it clears, make sure the cutting and trimming we did is sufficient. And if it is, we're good to go. If not, then we might have to modify a couple more things, do a little bit more cutting, and then the tire will fit and he'll never rub. And that's the way we like to do it here at Overland Outfitters.
Torque upper arm and torque the shock. Put the brakes on to make sure it actually stops. And we're good.
Bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm going to the maximum. I'm bigger, bolder, faster. This you let it go, I can let it go. This you let it go, I can let it go. You think I'm too much because I'm too much. Don't you gotta go? Cause I gotta go. Let it drive on full power. Never hit the brakes, no comma. I gotta go, I gotta get. I'm on my way to get the full power.
So you guys have heard of a viper cut, but what about a pit viper cut? Oh yeah!
I'm ready. You know, this truck overhaul is actually really easy. All I had to do was just go home, sleep for 2 days, and I'm here and it's already done. Okay.
Let's go.
Right.
Here we go.
Woo! It looks way higher.
It's a lot higher, yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna need a ladder. I'm ready to go to the shopping mall. Let's go.
What do you think?
Looks awesome.
You like the bronze?
I love the bronze, yeah. Looks beefy. Oh man. The King's peeking through. That looks pretty baller. No, I want to go drive it.
Yeah, we'll drive
I want
it.
to go drive over some stuff. You got
Where's
some
the
rocks
key?
around here?
The key
I
must
got
be
it.
in it. Oh, you? Okay, well, let's go for a ride.
All right, let's go.
Unlocked.
Oh, I knew it was a prank. I f***ing knew there was a prank. You're gonna have to bleep that. I said to Brady 30 seconds ago, I feel like I'm getting pranked. And he's like, what are you talking about? God damn it.
There's a
Better not be the bill. Everybody's watching me get nice. What, you want me to drink and drive right now? I'm pissed now.
He can just video himself drinking it at home.
Yeah, okay. That'll be the credit roll. Well, what can I go drive over? I feel like it isn't like drastically different in a bad way.
No, it should feel pretty just solid, like truck-like.
Yeah, I feel well, way higher up, and I feel like already without having been on a trail, I feel way more capable.
If you go right up there, I got a good mall crawling spot where there's a bunch of speed bumps.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do it. This is purpose built for the mall. All right. Ooh, you want to get out and guide me in, maybe?
Spot you.
Oh
What?
yeah, hardly felt it.
Hit her with some speed.
Was
Let's
that
go.
even a speed bump, or is that a anthill? Said it was speed.
Oh, we're going hard.
Oh yeah, smooth as butter. Oh yeah, piece of cake. To the shopping mall. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Hey Brady, thank you very much for working on my truck. And thank you very much for this. Hope you know how to pixelate.